everybody, my name is Vito and I would like to invite you all to my new YouTube channel, Veg with Vito. Here we only cook vegan and vegetarian food and it will be all made from scratch, so no more running to the grocery store for those vegan sausages and burgers. We want to help new vegetarians and vegans and those who are planning on becoming one to explore the variety of meat-free food that is delicious at the same time. Also, for those Old Settler Veggies, I'm sure you will find something new for yourself within these recipes. We always welcome your wishes and new ideas on what you would like me to cook for you. You can support us by checking out our channel, subscribing, and of course enjoying those videos. Now sit back, where we'll show you some of our short clips of the food we make. Thank you and see you soon. Cheers!